I'm going to show you today how to create these super easy flour cupcakes using marshmallows and some edible glitter. I'm Mara from Joyful Hostess, and are you ready for me to show you how easy this is? It is the perfect dessert to get the kids involved. I mean, who doesn't love marshmallows and shaking things up? As I mentioned before, these cupcakes are a really easy treat to make. And because of the sprinkles and the marshmallows involved, it's a really good project to let the kids help with. So we're going to start with mini marshmallows and scissors. And all we're going to do is cut the marshmallows, and I'll show you up close in a second. All we're going to do is take the marshmallows and going to cut them on a diagonal. So I don't know if you can see that, but I'll show you up close. So next we're just going to take these cut marshmallows, put them in the bag. You can see they're sticky. Just going to give them a good shake. And ta-da! So now it's time for us to arrange these on the cupcake. So the easiest way is to start on the outside and then take the end and gently push that into your iced cake. And then you're going to work your way around the outside